Hello, Facebook. This is my room. I have a scarf and a monkey. And I believe in Jesus flag. I heard Twilight. Toothpaste. Earphones. Nail stuff. Toothbrush, comb, Q-tips, nail polish, books, lotion, shoe boxes, and a whole bunch of books. Here's my bed. Looks awesome, right? I just made it. It is 5:50. And if you look closer, you can see Lindsay's bed, shelf on it. And these are books. My favorite books in the world. The Host and Breaking Dawn by Stephenie Meyer. These are my posters. I have a picture of me. I have a Walmart sticker. Smoking stinks. Lindsay. And I have High School Musical poster. Poster of Chris Brown and Rihanna. I didn't want to put them together because there might be some fighting going on. Zac Efron. And a lamp. And a window. And a door. I guess that's it. Bye, Facebook.